Today I'm going to show you guys how to thread a bobbin using your sewing machine. Or cheat and go on Amazon and buy 100. It's up to you. Check the link in my bio. And for this example, I'm going to use a spool of black thread so you can see the difference in strings between the bobbin and the needle. I'm going to start by sliding the spool on that little plastic stick and putting the cap on it. Again, no technical terms used here. Okay, maybe a few. Now on top of most sewing machines, they have instructions 1, 2, 3 on how to thread the needle and instructions on how to thread your bobbin. But most people get confused, so I'll give you step by step. Number 1 tip, hold your spool. That way as you're winding that string around, it's not putting a whole bunch of thread in your lap. So while I'm holding this, I'm gonna go behind this little metal nub here and I'm going to loop it around and pull it towards myself and then back towards the right side of my machine. Now the end of this string is what's gonna go in our bobbin. So feeding from the middle out. Again, see how that goes from the middle out? Just boop it through the hole and then we're gonna slide it, the bobbin itself, back towards the machine. Stick it on this little metal stick on the right hand side of our machine. I'm sure it's called a bobbin winder or something. Gotta kind of push a little hard there. Doing sound effects like I'm actually doing it right now. All right, and then we're gonna take our finger and boop, that got it to the right. What that does is engage the pedal to the bobbin winder and not the needle. Now being sure to hold the string up high, I'm gonna put light pressure on my pedal. As you can see, it's winding up and down. So the string isn't gonna be in one big old pile on the bobbin. Keep an eye out for that. And now that it's wound quite a bit and it's holding that string on there, I'm just gonna snip this tail off and then continue with pressure until it's full. You'll know when it's full as long as it doesn't go over the edge of the plastic. Now we're just gonna boop, back to the right, disengage that pedal from the bobbin winder and back to the needle. And we're gonna pull this mother sucker off. And in the next video, I'm gonna show you how to load your bobbin into the machine and thread your needle. Thank you!